Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard Heath from Bikepacking Adventures. Something a little bit different if you've been watching the Bikepacking the Netherlands series. There's another 7 episodes to go, so this can't wait. I've got a group ride organised on the 16th of November. It's about a month's time. It's going to be taking place in Nottinghamshire from CLUMBER Park. It's a free ride. Don't expect any mechanical support or anything like that. Just bring yourself and your bike. Starts at 9 AM. from near the Friar Tuck Cafe, which will be open from 7 AM till 2 PM. If I'm wrong, you'll see some changes up on the screen here. It's going to be a gravel ride, 100 miles, a few climbs and things like that. It's about 1,000 metres, I think. Most of the ride is taking place here in Nottinghamshire, with a little bit of riding in Lincolnshire as well on the eastern edge. There will be a cafe stop in there at Doddington Hall. Further details you'll find below this video. There's a link to the route I'll ride with GPS, and it'll also be, I'll put it in the comments as well. Not sure what bike I'll be riding yet. Most likely will be the gravel bike. Although I have changed the tyres recently. It's got 33mm tyres on there. Normally I'd ride with 45, but it's a few weeks away yet. The weather could do anything, so who knows, it might get a really nice dry period. In terms of weather, it will be mid-November, so kind of planned for anything and everything really. Could be snow on the ground, hopefully not. More than likely it'll just be cold. In terms of where the start is as well, if you can get down there for about 8:30, it gives everybody just a chance to introduce themselves, talk and have a bit of chat and everything. Also I must mention, there's no toilets nearby or anything. There's no amenities or things like that. So you need to perhaps go to Retford, Worksop, or if you're coming in from the east, Lincoln or something like that. You just do your own research. In terms of the flow, it is going to be mostly bridleways. There is a short section of hiker bike. And when I say hiker bike, it's because there's some kissing gates. I use the plural, some kissing gates. But if lots of people turn up, it will be very easy just to pass bikes over to each other, just to get over there. So it shouldn't be a problem whatsoever. There won't be any technical stuff. That will be the most technical. It is just getting the bikes over the kissing gates. Should be pretty good fun ride. Further details down below if you want to find out a little bit more about it. If you are joining or have got an interest, just get yourself involved down in the comments below. It gives me an idea of interest really, and numbers and things like that. So keep an eye out over the next few weeks. I'll put some posts on my YouTube channel and on Instagram as well, if there's any sort of last minute changes or things like that. So again, it's the 16th of November, it's a Saturday. They're leaving at 9 AM. Get yourself down there nice and early. Express some interest down in the comments below, and I shall see you there in a few weeks' time. Bye bye.